Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to chat up your supplier on pinduoduo. Okay, so if you are very new to this channel, before we get today's practical class started, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload video tutorial about importation from China and some other country, you get notified and watch one or two things in the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach people on how to be a successful self-importer, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen. Let us talk about the premium class if you have interest. So like I said earlier guys, today's class I'm going to teach you how to chat up your supplier on pinduoduo. So before we get today practical started, I would like to say one or two things about pinduoduo app for the sake of people that doesn't know much about pinduoduo. Pinduoduo is e-commerce apps by Chinese people. So the platform offers something similar to 1688, but the great opportunity about the platform is that when you purchase whatever you purchase on the platform, you don't pay for local shipping, unlike 1688 where you pay local shipping. Another great opportunity on the platform is that you can procure a single item. There is no MOQ as far as pinduoduo app is concerned. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step you need to take before you can actually purchase from a particular supplier. One of the steps to take is to chat up the supplier, negotiate the price with them, ask them so many questions about the product before you can eventually buy from the particular supplier. So if you are finding it difficult to do that on a pinduoduo app, this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can do that. So follow me and I show you every step you need to take. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your pinduoduo app. As you can see on the screen right here, this is my pinduoduo app. Okay, I'm going to click on it right away. So having opened up your pinduoduo app, this is how it's going to look like. Everything here, you can scroll down and see more products as far as the app is concerned. So you can scroll down. Okay, so let's scroll down. All right, so let's say for instance, I'm interested in this particular blender, this blender here. Let's say I'm interested in this particular blender. So you can see the product price here is 71.6 RMB. This particular blender, if you check it out on 1688, it might be more than this in terms of price. Okay. Now, what you need to do is that you need to click on the product link here, which is this. This is the product link. So you have to click on here. Okay. So click on here. All right, so you can see from the screen here, this is the product. Okay, now part of the features as far as this website is concerned is a live product and a live video of a particular product. You see how the product works. If it is some product that needs to run before you can make a purchase decision, you can see. So you can see from the screen here, this is the live video of the product. You can see it there. Okay, now so for you can see the way the blender is running, is working. You can see it from the screen here. So this is where you watch the product live video. Okay. Now you can scroll down and see more. Oh, sorry. You can scroll down and see more information about the product. What are the people say about the product? More product about the particular supplier. So you can scroll down and see more. Now, for you to decide that if you can actually buy from this supplier, what you have to do is that you need to communicate with them, because this price you see here, which is 73.6 RMB, if you chat up the supplier, don't be surprised that you can end up buy this particular product at a price of 60 RMB. These are the major reasons why you need to communicate with your supplier before you can make a purchase. You don't just go straight up and place order. So this is very much important in every successful procurement process. Okay, so I'm going to click on here now. If you want to chat up the supplier, you have to click on here, this symbol here. So I'm going to click on it right away. So when you click on it, it's going to present you to chat box, just like what you see on the screen here, where you can talk, where you can communicate with the supplier. Now what you have to do is to click on here where you type your message. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. So it's going to present me with keyboard. All right, so now there are many ways by which you can chat your supplier. One of the ways that you can either chat them with Chinese character, or you chat them up in English language. Okay, now I'm going to show you the two steps. The first step I'm going to show you is how to type in Chinese character. I'm very much sure that this is not going to be new to some of my premium students that have been in my importation training. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to first communicate with them in Chinese supplier and Chinese character, so that they don't see you as a novice or people that doesn't really know much about the business, so that from there you'll be able to hit them as far as price bargaining is concerned. Now for you to type in Chinese character, all you have to do is to So all you have to do is to click on you click on this place. So when you click on this place, then you have to then you have to click on here. I don't know what happened to this thing. Is okay, so you have to click on this character here, right? So when you click on the character, what this does is that you type in English while it automatically convert to Chinese simplified. You can see the option here. Okay, now what I'm going to type is that hello. So when you type, it's going to automatically convert into Chinese character. You can see it here. So now when you type finished, you click on this red bar here. So I'm going to send it. Good. So the message has been sent. So in some cases, if the supplier is online, they will reply you instantly. But in some cases, if they are not online, you will surely get their offline message. So this is one of the way by which you can chat up with your supplier on the Pinduoduo app. So another method is to type in English language. All you have to do is to click on here, then you type in hello, and then you click on this bar here, send. So you can see the message, the two messages has been sent. Wow, they were online. You can see this thing, one of the greatest thing about this platform is that they respond very faster, without any stretch, without even take much of your time. Now, this particular supplier has responded to my chat. So for me now to understand what the supplier is trying to say here, I'm going to make use of my iDictionary. Okay, so I'm going to stop this part, then I will click on my iDictionary here. Okay, so when I click on my iDictionary, I have to click on here to make it active. Now when I click on it, then I have to click on here to turn it on so that the iDictionary become active. So I'm going to click on it right now. Now you can see that my iDictionary is ready to be used. Okay, so we can exit from this particular app now and go back to Pinduoduo app. So here we have back to Pinduoduo app. So what I'm going to do now, for me to understand what this particular supplier is telling me, so I have to bring out my iDictionary app, which is a tiny symbol beside my phone screen here at the right corner, right? So I'm going to bring it out so you can see the iDictionary. Okay, now I can move it to anywhere I like. Okay, so now for me to use this particular iDictionary, I have to drag it and take it to the text, to the Chinese character. Then it pumps up permission. So what you have to do now is to set permission for this particular translation. You have to just click on set permission. When you click on set permission, it takes you here. All you have to do is to just click anywhere around here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. So we click on it, it's going to exit from the screen practical example. The next step you have to take is to click on here where you have iDictionary Hub. Click on that point. So I'm going to click on it right now. Then the next thing you have to do is to click on here to make it turn active. Then finally you click on OK. Now the iDictionary is ready for use. Okay, so we can go back to our Pinduoduo app. So here we are. So we can drag into the Chinese character now and see. Wow, you can see this is keys indeed. So this is just a welcoming message. So I'm going to ask him now, do you speak English? That's the next question. Do you speak English? This is because I'm interested in purchasing this particular blender here. Okay, so these are the things you need to do before you can actually go ahead and place order. So when you do this, there is possibility that you'll get a discount from the particular supplier. So not every price you see displayed on the platform is the real price of the product. Everything depends on your power of bargaining and how you can try to confuse or manipulate figures between you and the supplier. It's as simple as that. So this supplier is going to respond to my chat as soon as they were available online. So once at the long run, once I'm satisfied with their terms and conditions and the price reduction, I will go straight to place order on Pinduoduo. So this is how you chat your supplier without any stress, and I believe so much that you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find value for this video, click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any further question as far as Pinduoduo is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be able to reply to whatsoever your question is. And you can see now, he understand English, so we can communicate. We can proceed with the communication. So this is how things are done. Things simple as that. So, and also, if you would like to join my premium class where I teach people on how to be a successful importer without using agent, feel free to contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.